how you know Mitch is asleep. He'll be silent for like 3 seconds, and then you'll just hear. Bro, I can't take that snoring no more. Bitch, can you wait for other people to go to sleep before you sleep? Because you sleep in like 10 seconds and you snore really loudly and it's very, very disturbing to other people's sleep.
Well, I'm gonna need you guys to go to sleep a little bit quicker then.
No, you go to sleep in like 1 second. Maybe sleep on your
You
side.
kicked me in the face 2 times.
Because you were snoring so damn loud, I couldn't even go.
Wait, Mitch.
The only reason why I'm tempted to keep Mitch is because we need him for the numbers. Right now, me, Mary, and Camilla are on the bottom, but they're not going out without a fight.
What do you think? Where's your head in all this?
Yeah, honestly, I don't really know right now.
So I have to convince Mitch to be a part of the revolution.